Okay, good morning. This is now 11 o'clock on January the 4th. This is Mr. Dave, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to trade. And I had promised that in my first video, although not complete. I'm still learning. I am not a tech nerd. I'm not used to videoing or using a camera to record my trading. This is very new to me. I'm using Thinkorswim. I'm not a commercial trader, but a private trader. As you can see from the emblem, this is NEO. And this is its trading from last week. Looked very promising, didn't it? But you know, technical trading can prove a lot to you. And I have found that over 20 years of trading, that it's very reliable if you know where the turns are and you know when to get out of a trade. If you are long a trade, you should know the reasons why, both fundamentally for the long term and technically for the short term. I teach in my class that we are both long-term investors and short-term traders. Being able to turn on a dime, we don't have to wait for stocks to go miserably bad, but we can get out very early and with a profit. So here you see something that every trader likes to look for. This is a very simple chart, MACD Bollinger combined. You can see it's been trading under the red line, which we'll call a zero line. It is an oscillator, and it starts to move up. It moved up last Thursday, and you can see here, this is not a power. There are some trading programs, I think TradingView and others, that call this some kind of a power or other indicator. It's very simple, just Bollinger Band and MACD combined. You can find that or get hold of me and I will tell you. This is a borrowed. I did not invent this one. It's not proprietary to me. Very simple. It was down and then it starts to moving up. These upward arrows here only help. They don't make the chart. That's a TTM scalper right in here. And we go into a green band, green arrows on the bars, and so you're making money. What do you do when you're making money? As Warren Buffett says, don't leave profits on the table. You'll never lose if you take your profits. Why do people wait? I don't know. So here it moves up inside of a short day. By 2 o'clock, which is very common in the afternoon, it starts moving down. It reverses position. I think you did very well if you traded here at $27 or $28 and you were in the trade and you were exited at 32 or 30, almost 33. That's a really good day. You had 100 shares, you would have made $400 plus. And is there any reason to stay in? A heavy reversal right in here. TTM scalper down. Get out. This is a new Darvis box with a new ceiling, the green line. If you don't know how to use these, I will be including videos that explain what and how the Darvis box is working and how we are to interpret its results. It helps put structure on the screen for you. I remember when these were done on paper and you had to calculate it yourself more than 20 years ago. Very difficult. There's no reason why you should be losing money on a regular basis. The market will turn. Don't hold trades over the weekend. That's the biggest problem. So here we are. Take your profit, $4. There was a good reason to go up, and there was a good reason for you to go long. Here's your reason to go long right here. MACD Bollinger moving up into the green. Isn't that great? You have colors too, just like stoplights. You see this band turning green? That's because it's in an upward move. The bars are green. What more do you want? And the Darvis box has reached a new high. This is the high of the day. And it doesn't move back there until next week, which is the following Monday, which is this just past yesterday. But do I want to wait? Do I want to find that out? What if it had continued to move lower? As you can see in the MACD Bollinger, the Bollinger is weakening. By the end of the day, on Friday, the Bollinger was in negative territory. If you had even sold here, you would have gotten out at $32, still a good $4 profit per share. Would that make any sense? Look at the P&L. This is a function of Ameritrade on Thinkorswim. Profit for the day. Why would you want to find out on Monday that it's down to zero? Could happen, right? You could have taken off $4 a share by Friday afternoon, or better yet, on Thursday at close of business, close of market, you would have been up another almost $1 more. And that's a short-term chart, okay? I can't go into all the caveats of trading on every chart. I want to keep it sweet, short, and simple. You can actually see here a strong uptrend, even delineated for you, but they don't always last. So if you've made money, take the money and run. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. I will be leading you from one day to the other on how to trend profitably. I'm not bragging, I have lost money, but I can cut the losses short and quick and stay with the winners. And when the winners start turning to losers, you can reduce your position or close it out completely. If you're in the business to make money off of your trading, you need to listen to some very simple rules about trading. Okay, these are simple methods. Thank you. Remember to like and subscribe.